Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, can you make a highlight without a story on Instagram? So the real answer is no, you cannot. You cannot make a highlight without letting anybody else see it on your story. So none of the little tricks like posting it onto your close friend's story, but then blocking the one close friend that you have on there from seeing the story will work, because the only person that will be able to see it is your close friend. So that option doesn't work, and there's no way to really do it right now. So Instagram might add the option in later, but currently there is no way to do it without posting a story. So that is the answer. There is no way to make a highlight without posting a story. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.